I built this AI contract analyzer, but there is a clean catch in it. Even though the workflow looks very basic and very easy, at the same time, the workflow can make AI be more biased instead of being generalized in terms of auditing. Because here we are giving our own personalized instant turnouts in a contract and a strict deal breakers that we are needed in that particular contract and calculate the risk ratio. So by giving these personalized, contract undertakings and the red flags and green flags, the AI can be automatically personalized to you and can be automatically biased to you. So the AI will simply audit the contract just the way you do. Because in my opinion, each business have different levels of risk, and some people, even some businesses, are okay to take some level of risks in some contracts. So if we don't, justify or if we don't provide what we actually look in a contract, then the AI will simply, you know, give out some random generalized shit. So that no to contract audits will be same with AI, but after passing the same personalized opinion and personalized things right here, the the accuracy in contract auditing will be changed by many times, and I'm going to assure you about this. So let me just show you the demo first, and after that I will simply explain you the simple data flow inside the workflow. Let us test the system live. So firstly, we have to upload the contract, and yeah, I simply submitted the contract, so it should trigger the workflow. Let us just wait for the newest execution. Okay, this was the new execution, and everything went well, and we also received a Slack message. And let us just see what exactly we received in the Slack. So okay, this is the recent Slack message that this particular workflow simply sent us. So it seems there are no, flagged clauses or something like that. And just look at the AI generated summaries. It was completely personalized because the auditing process was completely personalized according to our own business risk takings. So the AI was not generalized in terms of auditing. The AI was already biased according to our own personalization, because we simply gave all the master clauses right here, which are nothing but instant turn-offs and red flags and the strict deal breakers that we are look inside a contract. Then the AI will actually, you know, audit the contracts just exactly like us. So yeah. Okay, now let me just explain you how the data will flow from node to node. So firstly, the workflow will get triggered whenever this particular form was submitted. Okay. So, and after that, we will be grabbing the binary data, which was nothing but the uploaded contract, and upload it into our own drive and designated folder, obviously. And after that, after uploading, we simply the binary data get lost right here. So we have to be extracting the binary data from the form node to right here, because after that we will be needing to be extracting the contract text. So for that reason, we are using this particular code node so that it will automatically grabs the binary data from the first node. Oh, sorry. So after that, we will be automatically, extracting the text from that particular contract. And after we will be defining our, green flags and red flags in a contract, so that the AI can be using these things to completely audit the whole contract in your own personal bias. Okay. So here, just for the demo purpose, I simply used Gemini 3.1 flashlight model, and we simply send the text to it. But the thing is, we will be also be using. I mean, it is suggested to be use some pro models out there. Just for the demo purpose, I simply use this HTTP node, so nothing so serious. And also we can also use the AI agent node and simply connect the Gemini node just for the simplicity. But I simply, messing up with HTTP nodes. So nothing so serious. So don't think why the hell I simply use a HTTP node when there is already a Gemini, AI agent node right there. Just for, I'm simply messing up with HTTP nodes just for a practice. So nothing much, okay? After that, we will be clean the AI output and we will be extracting the risk score and unapproved clauses and other flagged clauses on the AI generated summary. And we will be parsing the whole risk analysis with the edit node and we will be attaching the dry file link to. And after that, we will be check whether the contract is in high risk or not. And if there is a high risk in the contract, we will be sending the particular request to our internal legal team to check whether that is whether this particular contract is compatible for us or not. If the contract is low risk, we will be simply moving the particular contract to the folder called process it. So nothing serious. And after that, we will be obviously sending the Slack message about this particular contract audit. So this is how the system will actually work in production, and this is how the data will actually flow from node to node, from the beginning to the ending. So yeah, that's it for today.